deforestation. You see that? Look at all the trees. Why don't you just look at them? I mean, look, everybody's cutting them down, and then check this picture out right here. It's showing. Oh yeah, sorry. There we go. See, before or after. Look at that. Look how pretty, and then look how ugly it looks like. That's a big old turd. That's ugly. And look how look at that. I want you to just look at it. Look where they're destroying our lungs. See that? See where they're cutting down here? It's, you know how the trees help filter carbon monoxide and stuff. And animals are losing all their homes. Look at that dart in it. See it? See the dart in the little monkey? Oh my gosh, I can't stand to see that little koala. Oh my gosh. So adorable. Okay, I hope you hear this. Deforestation, people. Stop deforestation! Not cool, bro. Not cool at all. Okay. Now, Snoopy here says, what's he say? Save our planet. Yes. See his little shirt? Save our planet. Thank you for your advice, Snoopy. Bye.